Welcome back to Barber Department. I am Fade, your host. If you are not a member of the family, click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Also, let me know if you find this video helpful so I can be uploading more videos in the future. In today's episode, I have a buzz cut. With the medium drop fade, I will start by using the Babyliss FX trimmer to create my first guideline. Then after that, I'm going to make sure that the base of this cut is straight so the contour of the fade looks even all the way. So don't take shortcuts with the trimmer line and make sure it's straight at all times. Using the full shaver to take the stubble out will give the cut a cleaner look. Let the shaver do the work and use little to no pressure to avoid giving the client ingrown hairs or razor bumps. This is a foreguard with the lever closed, and I'm going to consistently swipe back and forth to make sure that I don't leave any stragglers behind. This will also ensure me that the client will not see any hair sticking out after he goes home and showers. Using my clipper with the lever open, I'm going to start my second guideline, giving myself an inch of space to blend out, also staying really consistent with the clipper strokes. With these ergo gammas, I will close the lever 2 clicks since they do have the notches on the side to help with the levels of the lever, but with any other clipper that has no notches, I would close the lever a quarter of the way. Just wanted to throw that good tip out there. To start the next section, I'm going to use the one guard while swiping up half an inch, then coming back with my half guard and use a lot of lever play to take out that section. The darker the area, the more I would close the lever. Using the same steps that I used with the one guard open, I'm going to use them with the 1.5 guard open, then come back with my one guard right under the 1.5 guard to clean up that whole area. Using shear over comb, I will take away the remaining bulk, and I also prefer this way on some of the haircuts that I do, just to give myself a more natural finish. And it also helps me avoid using any higher guards, which lets me keep the bulk on the sides. On the lineup section, I'm going to make sure that the first thing I do is brush or comb the hair down into its natural position. This will help me avoid having longer hairs show after the client gets out the chair. To set the lineup for the C cup, I look for the lowest darkest area of the corner, so I avoid going too high or too low where the client won't see a sharp curve. Since my client has a weak corner, I'm going to use a white line to give the illusion of a strong lineup, and this will also help you avoid pushing your clients back to the 90s. This is the end result of this cut. If you made it to the end of the clip, let me know if this video was hot or not. Don't forget to hit the sub button on your way out, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.